Hi, I'm Sandeep, and in this video I'm going to be talking about creating your first wiki page and getting started with VSTS Wiki. To start with, I've logged on to my VSTS account and I'm going to start with creating my first new project. So let's click on new project. I'm going to call it Contoso project. Just add some description. So I'm going to be calling it Contoso project for wiki demo, and that's it. Let's create it. So once you create a project, you'll be navigated to the project homepage. So you'll see once the project homepage is created, you're seeing a wiki star and a wiki. The reason I want to call it out explicitly is wiki is the old wiki extension that was created by Microsoft Dev Labs. This is no more functional. It has been deprecated. So if you have a page or a wiki repository in wiki, then we would encourage you to migrate it to wiki star. I'll be covering this in another video to talk about how do you migrate your content from the old wiki extension to new VSTS wiki. So let's go to the new VSTS wiki. So once you're on the wiki page, you will be welcomed with this message which says, hey, get everyone on the same page. Why don't you go ahead and create a wiki? So let's create a wiki. So you'll see that as soon as I create a wiki, there's some processing that happened in the backend, and I am now seeing the default page experience. So for those who really want to know what's happening in the backend, actually what we've done is we've just provisioned a Git repository for you, and anything and everything that you do on these wiki pages will actually reside on that Git repository. So let's create my first page. So I'm going to call it homepage. I'm just going to add some sample text to start with. Let's call it introduction, and let's add some text. So introduction to wiki, call it VSTS wiki, and I'm going to leave it at that. You see that there's a side-by-side preview experience. I can click on preview and I can see how my page is really looking like. And the entire content that you see here is markdown supported. I'm going to save this. And there you go. So the first page that you created when you clicked on Create Wiki also acts as your home page, which basically means anyone and everyone who clicks on Wiki star, even if it's a visitor, they would always see your home page or the default page that you created, and that is also represented by this small little icon which shows you the home. An important element to consider here is that for every project that you create, a wiki will be provisioned, which basically means there's a one-to-one mapping between VSTS projects and the wiki that you just created. Now let's quickly look at the page that just got created. So you can see that it shows me the author's name who's just edited this page. It shows me that the page was edited just now. Shows me that there are certain revisions associated with it. You can edit this page. I have nothing to edit. I can create a new page, and there are a bunch of call to actions that are associated with this page, which I'll be covering in the next video. So just to summarize what we saw in this video, we created our first wiki. We understood that each VSTS project gets a wiki. We also understood that wiki is actually a Git repository in the backend. We created our first wiki page, and we also understood that the editing in wiki is markdown supported. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for many more videos to come.